Did you know that cats have a special talent for tunneling? They can squeeze through spaces that seem impossibly small, thanks to their unique skeletal structure. Their collarbone allows them to fit through openings as wide as their whiskers. This incredible adaptability makes cats not just adorable companions, but also sneaky little escape artists. So, next time your kitty disappears, remember they've probably found a new adventure. Subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like videos. It's free and it could change my life.